Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this really pretty, it's actually yellow and brown. They mix together a little too much along the way. But this is Wet n Wild Wild Hearts palette look number 34. And this is April's look. So to get started, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime my eyes, and of course I'm using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. The first shade in the palette, I'm taking first row, fourth shade, and that is just a light tan brown. And I am placing this in the crease, kind of messily. I will go over it a few times to build it up, and I slightly blend over the line that's leading towards the brow bone to soften it, and it builds up really nicely. And the reason why I didn't do a powder under my eyes is this palette has minimal fallout, which is really nice for a drugstore palette. Next shade I'm taking third row, first shadow, and it's the beautiful matte yellow. I'm going to take that on a shader brush and I'm going to apply that to the lid. I don't have anything laid down on the lid for it to stick to or anything, so it's just pretty impressive that it is this bright and able to stick to the lid with no additional help. Such a pretty shade. I've used it in many of my looks. It's a very nice lid shade. It's a nice transition shade. Next shade is first row, second eyeshadow, and it's just a basic bone vanilla type shade, and I'm using this for my highlight. So I'm applying that under the brow, blending it down into the crease, and just going over and softening the crease line. I'll go back in with the crease brush I used to further blend the highlight in the crease. On the lower lash line, I'm applying that beautiful matte yellow shade. And from BH Cosmetics, I'm using this Black Light highlighter palette, and I'm using the shimmery yellow. I wanted like a light shimmery yellow or light gold in the inner corner, so that's why I chose this today. So I apply that in the inner corner, and I apply it, flick it up into the crease area a little bit. From AOA Studio, this is their gel eyeliner in Seize the Day, which is amazing. And this liner is from Santee, also from Shop Miss A. It's also yellow. From Hard Candy, I'm using this brown metallic eyeliner to create a wing, and I just kind of do it in small steps, and then I'm going to do a little wing at the end, flicking that in, just taking my time. AOA Studio Eyes on Me eyeliner. This is a matte yellow, and I'm going to apply this directly, a line of this directly above the wing, following the wing actually, and this is a double wing eyeliner kind of look. From AOA Studio Lash Adhesive and Ione 3D Foam Ink Lashes. These are kind of spiky lashes, and I'm going to apply those. They are not too over the top, and I really love these lashes. This is a She Glam lipstick, and I believe it's called Deep Under or Undertow. It's a shimmer matte lipstick, and there's literally no shimmer in it, but very pretty. She Does mascara from Temu to mesh my real lashes with my false lashes. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup look today. We'll try it out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more looks using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. And I thank you guys so very much for watching.